So it seems Modi ji is also having Mann Ki Baat at 11 right now. So there is a clash. We might have, some tug of war between Modi ji and me. Just, on a lighter note, right? So good morning, Atal. So whoever is joining, please at least put your name and place from where you are joining into the chat, right? And we'll start at 11:02. Kaushik from, yeah. Hi, Kaushik bhai. I know I'm Valsad, right? 1+6. Okay. Okay. I think I'll now keep adding people as they come, and I will start with the webinar as well, right? So thanks, Chandrasekhar from Pune, Ankit and Priyanka Gupte from Pune. Okay, so let's start, and thank you everyone for joining on time, and people who will be now joining, I'll just keep them adding, right? So thank you once again for joining everyone on time, and let's start. So Kedar sir is also there. Okay. So basically, my questions now, see, we'll make this more interactive, right? Because that is where, it will help us. Okay. So if I ask any questions, please do respond on the chat with the answers, right? So that will help every one of us. So let's start. Okay. My name is Kamal Shah. I am actually a stock market trader and a trainer. Since last 5 years, I am independent trader, and I've started training in stock market since last 3 years, right? So that is my introduction. Before what I was doing, I will let you know once we come towards half of the seminar, right? So let's start with it. So currently we all know that we all are struggling with pandemic COVID-19, and we know that because of that there is going to be impact to every one of us, right? So can anyone from you start giving me some clues, what impact is it going to for us? So what is going to be the impact for us in that case? What can you yes, Kaushik bhai, I know that we met at Kandivali office. Yes. So can we know what is the impact that we can see due to COVID-19 now? It can be, financial impact, or it can, yes, job loss, business loss. That's right, Adal. That is one of the key thing, right? Anyone else has got any other answers for this? Anything else that you have in mind because of COVID-19? Anything else can happen? Mental health, yes, that's right, Shekhar. And that is, what, one of the thing which is going through many people, depression. Yes, yes, exactly. So all of these things, what you are writing, loss of job, business, or even, maybe pay cuts is one of the thing, because I know many people still have got their job secured, but that is with some percentage cut in their take home. So all of this will, finally lead to even mental health as well as depression, and that is right, right? So let's see now what we have also put across, right? So yes, there would be, because of COVID-19 there can be an impact of job loss, salary cut, and what we just discussed is financially down, and this is going to be across everyone, right? It is going to be for all everyone. It can be, from all age group, people who just started earning. It can be people who are already, matured enough and already, at a higher level in offices. It can be for each and every one, and it's going to be across everything, like from a salaried person, and I like Atal had said business loss. And see, many businesses, a part of which were essential businesses, were shut down, right? So if those businesses were shut down, it's going to be an impact. Like if I just say, one small thing is like at my home itself, few switches were not working. I was not able to buy them because the shops are under lockdown, right? So even those businesses are getting impacted. A small tube light, a small bulb, or maybe AC services. Now the AC service guys who are actually waiting for that money to come from the service of AC, they are not able to go to their home. So all of these things is getting impacted. And this what I'm just thinking right now is from my own domestic home, what we can think of or what we can feel. So all such things are getting impacted. Even the guys who are architect or furniture makers and all are right now struggling because no one can go to anyone's home and start doing anything. So all of these industries has got a slowdown, and yes, financially breakdown, you can say in that case, right? And now how is this impact going to be again impacting every one of us? Is it will impact. So what Shekhar put very rightly was mental stress or mental health, which is going to give you a pressure. Now see, one thing is very sure: if you have got a job loss, or if you have got, say, a pay cut, and currently been in salaried industry for almost 16 years, I know that whatever was my salary, I would then plan my expenses according to that. And also I will also plan to take few loans in such a way that with this salary I would easily be able to pay that. But now if you see that with the new things coming out, where you will have to you'll get less amount of salary or take home, it's going to impact your lifestyle, your livelihood, because you have already set your lifestyle as per the current salary that you are getting. And now because there is going to be a cut, it's going to add to you how I am going to manage it. So that is where the things would be. Currently, if you have put your kids into a very nice school because your salary was good and you were able to afford, say, an IG or IB school, again now there would be somewhere some tension about how would I afford with no job, or maybe with less money which is now going to be the inflow. So all of this thing is going to add to us. And what Shekhar already said and Atal already said about there would be a mental stress, there would be some pressure onto us, because we now have to think about how do I fill the gap which has been created because of COVID. See, this is something which is not been created by us, it has just happened, right? So we can't do anything in this, nor the employer can do anything in this, right? So that is the main part where you need to understand what we can do now is going to be of importance, right? So the thing, my view so far is, whatever happened during the COVID-19 lockdown, can anyone tell me which industry was working throughout? One of the industry which was never shut down. Can anyone say that which industry was that?
Pharma.
Pharma was there one. Okay. Hospitals, yes. What else?
And share market.
See, pharma and hospital, we cannot work there, right? Yes, Anil ji, that is the right. So share market was working throughout, stock market, right? So that was one which was working for even
Always working, always
lockdowns
working.
and with limited staff.
Digital marketing is working.
Right, so that was what it was working. So stock market was already working throughout, and that is where one of the thing where we got things very much things that if you know how to trade properly, or if you have some ways of trading, stock market can be one of your alternate source of income for each and everyone, right? So that is where we understood of on that lines. So now let's understand how many of you now believe that stock market can be a good source of income. You need to say very true, whatever you feel you have to write. Can it be a secondary source of income? Yes, no, I want your inputs. खाली yes मत डालो, no भी डालो, कोई तो सोचो loss हो जाएगा तो क्या होगा. See, you have to think from every point of view, right? Maybe yes, okay. Why not primary also? Okay, okay. Yes, with proper discipline as a trader or investor, depends. Okay. So Hitesh is also saying the same thing. Okay, as a trader or an investor, right? Depends. Okay. So see, mainly what we are getting is yes, but with good study. Yeah. So now there are few things that we know about it is, it can be with a good study, or if you are able to do it, with proper discipline. So all of those things makes really sense to us, right? And if I just tell you, there are people who don't feel that stock market can be a good second source of income, is because there have been failures across stock market, and there are so many people around you who might have lost huge amount of money. And because of that, there is always a fear that what if I lose what I still have in my hand, right? So that fear that, losing what is in hand also does not allow one to enter into stock market and think that it can be, okay, I'm one of them. Okay, that's right, Hitesh bhai. So, I would appreciate that you have, stepped forward and said that, yes, you are one of them. And that is, story of many of us, right? Even when we used to trade earlier without any knowledge, we have lost as well, right? So that's not something new in the market. So now let's understand few failures why, we fear stock market. So main thing is, we jump into the sea without learning swimming. Now, can you swim in a sea without you knowing about how? Okay, someone is saying he's not able to hear. I think you need to select on audio from system. So I think I'll just type it for him. Select device audio. Okay. So mainly it's about, that we don't know what we are going into and we enter. And mainly that is because, what? Someone told you that you should, trade this particular thing on, enter right now, and that is also fine. So we did something in the market which was not as per expectation by the market, right? It's also random trading. I yesterday I came across one lady who told me that I'm always trading whatever CNBC tells, and she told me that she is into deep losses, right? So again, that is a random trading because you are trading on behalf of someone else studies, and that study is also done in past. It's not something which is done today, right? Plus there are so many people who says I don't like to keep stop loss because I don't like to take loss. Now again, that is again, something which is really wrong attitude, because if you don't manage risk, you will be out of this market, right? So that is the reason why you need to manage your risk, which is primary, which we fail. And that is the reason why people whose stories we have listened in past are losing money because they had this in their trading. This was their style of trading, and that is the reason why they did it. There are so many people who think that, they can become crorepati overnight, and that is the reason why they come to stock market. They play big, and they want quick money, which is nothing but gambling. And in gambling, you can equally lose money, right? So again, that is another part where, people have lost money, and that is the main reason where, we see there is no discipline, there is nothing, their own study behind trading, and that is where they fail. Now if I tell you that, there is one doctor around my place, he is one of the best, but the only thing is, if you go to him, right, he does not have a doctor's degree. Okay, how much confident will be you to go to such a person. Okay. See, if he is without a degree, he is without any MBBS studies, right? And still, he can give you some good medicine. How much can you trust him, right? So that is same thing when you are in a profession. If you do not have that professionalism of that profession, you are not going to be making money, which everyone failed to understand in the past. And nowadays people are thinking about, I know many of you wrote when I said that how many of you can think of second income from stock market. Many said yes, with proper study. And that is what, now we have got that understanding. This generation now is getting into this type of things that, okay, stock market also needs some study before you actually enter into it, right? So now let's understand few reasons on why stock market. So basically it's a big ocean of opportunities if you look into it, right? There are so many uh, companies which are being traded. You can trade anything and everything, right? Plus, if you do it in a systematic way, you can easily make good living from that, right? So that is one thing. Second thing, this is the only business which can allow you to get in with a very small investment. You can start buying two quantity of shares also. No one is going to say that, you need to buy at least 50, you need to buy at least 100. No, you can buy even one equity shares. So the investment can be as low as you want. You don't have to, get a bigger capital to trade in stock market, right? So you can start with small investment. And why you need to start with small is you need to get the grip of what you are going to trade as, the system that you are going to trade with. You need to get a grip on that system first, right? And then only you can start going little bigger and bigger. So that is how the approach which you need to take, which stock market gives you that opportunity, right? It's also time flexible. You can, trade from anywhere today, from even your mobile phone. Wherever you are, you can trade. Even, we were in a trip to Leh Ladakh. Wherever the signal was possible or wherever we got a signal, we were trading from there, because we just thought, we can recover the trip charges or the trip expenses also by some small trades that we can take during the signal time over there. And it was possible, right? So all of these things are quite possible for stock market. And the final thing is, it's not difficult to learn. You don't need any degree if you want to learn stock market or you want to learn how to trade. There is no compulsion on any degree that is needed. A student of school can do it, college guys can do it, and someone as old as 75 to 75 plus can do it. And we do have, I know, there are many of few of my students also here, and they all know one of the persons, CN Saraf, who is 78 years old, and he is our student and he is doing the best. And when we'll go to the student section, I'll also show what he has told about us, right? So it's already, it's like for anyone can learn it. It's simple to learn at any age. So it makes, one of the most better business or a profession in that way. Okay. And I know many of the traders who are here that can, they can accompany me in saying that I feel I'm in the best business in the world because of the flexibility of the time and place and money that it gives. Now, just on few things on COVID, right? As I am talking about flexible of time, let me also say something about, what I was doing in last 1.5 month of this. So we all knew that the migrants were living and, they were struggling because they didn't had proper food to take home. Even, few of them were struggling to get proper tickets. I am also associated with one of an NGO, which is Srimad Rajchandra Mission of Dharampur. And I know people from Valsad and Surat would be able to relate me, right? So been with that NGO, I was also part of distributing and collecting food from various places and giving it distributing myself, going to LTT, Borivali, Dadar, CST stations and giving it to the migrants, even giving it to them on the Dahisar Cheknaka. So if you guys are aware of, Mumbai and these locations, you can relate. So I was going there and, distributing this food as well. Even last Tuesday, I was at Raigad because of the cyclone. There has been, a heavy destruction of rooftops, electricity not been there. And we went there with, the shades for the rain. So talpatri jisko bolte hai, right? So all of those things I was there, and we were, giving food and all those things to even people out there, right? So I've seen what is the ground reality because of COVID, what is happening with that type of people as well. And if those people are impacted, I know that in the factories or the businesses where they were helping, that is also going to be impacted, right? So again, the things comes about is that the profession which stock market gives you as a trader is that flexibility of a time. Wherever, see, if I would have been in a job, 9 to 6 job, I would have not been able to help those guys at all. I would be stuck in my job as well, right? So all of these things was possible for me to do because I was into a profession where I would trade for 1 or 2 hours in a day, make what I wanted and move out, right? So that is again, something which I believe that, stock market can give us. And let's see a few successes in stock market, how you can get them also. So yes, if you get a right coaching, what I did when I thought of leaving my job in 2015, I got trained by one of the India's best trainer at that time, and name is Vishal Malkan. I know if anybody knows about him. Okay, Vishal Malkan, from Malkan's view. So I got trained under him for almost 18 months course, and that is what made my life a little bit, into a full-time trader. Because what you have to then do is about, see, learning is just 50%. The coach is 50%, and then 50% is your practice on what you learn. It's never that you have learned. See, learning in a classroom is about, reading a book on swimming. But can you just jump into a dip after reading that book? Guys, I need your inputs as well, because that will help me to, share more and more. No, right? So thanks, Atal, for that. And there are many who can just say, yes, Samira, thank you for putting your answers. Right? I would encourage more and more people to, write their answers, because it will help us to get it more interactive. So as it cannot help you to go directly into the deep, you need to do net practice. You need to do some shallow practice before you go into the deep, right? So that shallow practice is what is needed in stock market to be successful. And that is what again comes out, as the error that many people do after they have got trained. They feel that, they are now at a very good level. Now they are far above the other people who are trading in the market. I know what I'm doing, and they directly jump. That's again a failure. Okay, because you need to do net practice. See, the main key thing in market, in stock market, is entry and exit. If your entry you have not practiced, right, it's going to be a failure, because you will enter at a higher price, which increases your risk in the market, and that is going to hurt us, right? And second thing is that you cannot hit, just see, even if Sachin Tendulkar is batting, he cannot hit boundaries each and every ball, right? And Dhoni may, I think there was one good dialogue, right, where the railway manager comes and meets him on the platform, and they are talking about, okay, how is life, right? And in that he said, कि अगर तुमको unplayable ball आएगा तो तुम क्या करोगे? You need to duck, right? And if there, and that is where, it's about, if the trade does not go in your favor, you need to cut out that. You need to book your loss in that, and then you continue with you wait for another good ball where you can, hit a boundary. So that you need to play your game as per how it is coming to you, how the ball has been bowled to you. So you need to be, you take a trade as per the system, and then you follow the system, right? So that is what success in stock market is. And the best thing is discipline. Discipline is the only word, a trader can help you to understand how he is being successful in this profession, because discipline includes everything, right? And it includes that you follow the system, it includes you follow the risk management, it includes that you put a proper stop loss, it includes that you follow the proper trailing stop loss, it includes each and every step a trader does. So that is the reason why we say that if you want to be successful in a stock market, someone had already put, discipline was the key, the right word actually, right? And that is where, it makes sense that if you are wanting to be successful in this, it normally will be for getting success in the market. The only thing is discipline, right? So now let's see a few other things. So one of them is systematic trading, and we just discussed all of those things in the word discipline actually, right? So there is to be complete knowledge you need to have about the profession which you are going to be. Second thing is regular analysis and preparing buy and sell list. Now for this particular session, right, we invite you for how do I do my analysis, the weekly analysis, and how do I prepare my buy and sell list. Today in the evening, 7 p.m. to 8 p.m., there is going to be a session on how I am doing my own analysis, and you will can all be part of that. So if you want to be the part of it, please WhatsApp us, your name and your number, your WhatsApp number, so that we can share with you the Zoom detail of this session as well, because that will help us to, share the Zoom details. So you can share it on this numbers, and these numbers will be also displayed during the last slide. So you can also see that as well. Okay, so I will just display those numbers over here as well. So I'm just putting it onto the chat for everyone. So you can just put your numbers here to this numbers which I'm just giving you right now. Okay, so I've just put those numbers. Right, so okay, I just put it to 1%. Okay, time would be 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. Okay, so time would be 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. Right, so details will be shared at a later slide as well, right? The other thing that trading gives you is about what we just saw, follow stop loss strategies, and the risk management is the key. And one thing that you need to do as a trader is follow the trend, do not predict it. Okay, you need to be on the right side of the market rather than predicting what market is going to do. If you go to predict, you will get hurt, right? So that is what systematic trading can help us with, right? So this all things again comes under the one word, if you go to see, is discipline, right? So as a disciplined trader, if you go, you make, good money in the market. So now let's see few more things. So as I said, systematic trading can help, right? So would you like to see some examples about how stock market or how technical analysis can help you see what market is going to do? Do you want to see some examples? Yes, no? Yes? So I'll just share. Okay. One thing before I share this. Okay. Can anyone tell me when did Corona started a crash in the market? When did we see the crash in the market? Which month? March, okay, March, Feb, March, right, right, March, okay. But let me tell you, this was not the month, okay. Market spoke about the crash long back. So is everybody able to see my screen? Are you able to see the chart? Yes, okay. So then let me show you something interesting. Okay, I'll show you on both the indices. Okay, Bank Nifty first. So now what I'm going to show you is, I know, see, for people who don't know anything on this will get little bounce. But believe me, this is very, very simple things which we are sharing with you right now. And it becomes very simple when you learn them. It may be little difficult, or it may go a little, above your head because you might not have this knowledge. But this is a very simple thing in stock market or in technical analysis. You can see that my price has gone higher over here, but my RSI, which is one of the momentum indicator, goes lower. So this, what we call it is, it is a very simple thing which we call it as a bearish divergence setup, and the breakout of a trend line is actually the confirmation on it. So if you look at this is the candle of January and not February or March. January itself gave you the confirmation of a bearish divergence set up on monthly chart of Bank Nifty, and then the fall was quite dominant because the first target of this was this, and the second target was the depth of this. Right, so if you actually go to see, there was nothing wrong with the market did in March. So this was already expected. So if you were reading technicals, this was in front of you. Okay, so this was quite there, and there was nothing else the market did. Okay, similar things if I just show you why market is now going up, right? So now if I just show you again on the same chart, I can show you the same thing. See where the things were, bearish divergence and a fall. Now we have a 3-bar bullish divergence. Okay, the price is going lower and RSI is rising. Okay, so this again shows to us is, a bullish divergence setup, and the confirmation of this again is a trend line breakout. Okay, and this is where we see that this candle is now giving us that confirmation that the trend is now going to reverse again. Okay, again, if you have something on the volumes, if you understand, you will see that the volumes are now getting up at this levels out here, and that is where, see, this is where the volumes are. So if they are the volumes at the bottoms, right, that means it's an accumulation phase, and now there can be a push on the upside. So it's not going to be a V-shaped recovery at all. It is going to be a slow and steady rise. Okay, see, rise is always slow and steady, falls are always rapid. Okay, so it's going to be slow and steady rise now on the upside. So getting this clear that how the markets are working, and let me show you even on Nifty now. Okay, so let me just show you on Nifty. Even Nifty had a similar setup. You can see here, right? See, these are the months where you can see the price has moved higher, but look at the RSI. Okay, RSI is 65 and 61, right? So this shows that there is a bearish divergence. And see here the breakdown in January, which confirms, and then February, March gives you this. So it's nothing that, it is going something haywire. Okay. And the bounce in Nifty again was mainly because of the candle which came up over here, and see the support which it has taken. Okay. So it's everything between support and resistance, right? And from here, there was a bounce. So again, here, there was a bounce here, a good support line, you can say, from where it has taken, again a support bounce back. And also if you know RSI, it's then it went above 40 and it took support at 40. So again, these are few of the very simple things and simple levels that you can learn about technicals and see how things are moving, right? So it was a doji, actually an indecisive candle at support, and then you can see how it has grown in this month. So this is how, basically you can also see that, okay, now there can be a reversal in the market. So it was not going to be a one time fall and, just fall and fall. Somewhere it will stop and then it will rebound also, right? So that is what we can share with you, many more examples, and we'll see, if we have time after the seminar as well, right? So hope these examples have at least showed you that market, whatever market does, it tells you pre-hand. Okay, and just one thing which I will just say is also, when Modi ji announced the 20 lakh crore package, the same day on the market was almost down by 300 400 points. It recovered towards the close of the day, which itself is a good, signal that there is something going to happen in the market. And evening he announces the 20 lakh CR package, and we all were in a good, BTST, what we call as buy today, sell tomorrow type of things. We all had bought indices on that day, and next day we sold with good profits, because there was a huge gap up opening because of that 20 lakh crore package given to us, right? So markets will speak before, the news will hit the market. So that is how, we see the charts. So now let's, start with sway charts and how we can help you guys. What is the story of sway charts? So as basically I told you that, I'm a trader and a trainer since last 5 years. But before that, I was, in IT industry. I've worked in IT industry as a software developer for almost 16 plus years. Worked in various firms. Like I started my career with Bombay Stock Exchange, where I was part of their settlement systems. From there I moved to Lehman Brothers, where again I was part of the regulatory systems. And then from Lehman to Nomura, because of the obvious reason, bankruptcy of Lehman and taken over by Nomura. And from there I moved to JP Morgan, so where I spent almost 6 to 7 years. Even Lehman Nomura was 5 years plus, right? So that is what my story was. But then basically what happened was that there was no freedom of time to me. There was a lot of money because of the salary was really good, but there was no time that I was getting to live my own passion. And that is the reason why I thought of moving out of that industry and doing something else where I can get both freedom of time as well as money. And I found only one profession which can give me, that was trading. And that is where, I took the training, 18 months training from Vishal Malkan, as I already told you. And the fees that I paid for that 18 months was almost 16 lakhs. Okay, so that is the fees which I paid him. And that was what, has evolved me as a trader today. Mainly, I started then sway charts for training other people, because I know not everyone can afford the fees what I paid. But yes, everybody is in need of a secondary source of income, and to help as many as possible who are looking forward for that type of income, we started sway charts. And that is where, we are right now into this training with a very less fees, since almost now 2 years plus, right? So now let's see why you should take the trainings from sway charts, because I know there are many students out here already in the group, as well in the today's session. They can also, agree for that. Mainly sway chart has got the content directly from the horse's mouth. So when Vishal got trained himself from, the key people, so he has got, candlesticks from Steve Nisson himself, who is the father of candlesticks, who has written so many books on candlesticks. Second thing, Bollinger Band, which is the volatility indicator, he himself got trained from John Bollinger. And so those are what, we have absorbed. So that is where, we say that the content is very rich. It is proved, tested, and executed throughout by us also for almost 5 years now. And mainly it's again, training is one part. Second thing is after training support. And after training support from Swaycharts, I'll just show you how do we do that. We do with multiple things. We have multiple groups where we add you all, and you get access to all of those once you are part of Swaycharts family, right? So I'll just share with you few of my groups. So these are the Swaycharts alumni group where all my students are added, and you can see that, normally, see, this is what Saraf uncle, he's 78 years old, and see the way he sends me, the things. So you can see it here, right? Then you can see people are, even see sending us this type of things where, make or break. Then again, some more insights on this charts. Again, see, I'm sending why Kotak Bank is down. So this is again, only charts is what we would love to discuss and nothing else. So that is where, you can see this is one of the chat group for the students of Swaycharts. And see, at this age also, see the analysis that he's sending on day-to-day basis, right? So again, this is something which you will be part of it. And see, everyone would be sending their work as well, and we would be also sending our things on it, right? So this is what one of the group where you can be also added once you are part of it. Second group what we have is on Telegram, and you can see this is our Telegram group mainly. And you can see where, people are posting their daily profits. They will be asking us doubts. So if I just show you few things on there here as well, see, these are the profit figures that they are putting, and everyone is encouraging. Even loss figures, I'll show you, someone has put his loss also. So it's not that you'll only make profits, but see, this is the deep study which one of the students has sent, Milind Haria, right? So I will also share his journey with us, and I will show you where he has also put few losses as well. It's not that he's only putting profits, or students only make money, but there are, see, these are again few photos of profits again. See, this is what Milind has posted again, some loss, and he has said from 55K to this loss, holding patiently, as I know it is a trap and don't want to fall in this trap, right? So this is something again, says confidence on charts and analysis, right? So this is what we have, given to the students, and this is where, they are doing it on their own. So mainly what we want you to do is, be independent trader. And that is where we give you each type of support that you would need when you are growing as a trader. Now again, someone had posted, some survey, and I replied to that survey as well. So all of those things, even on your mind management, we help you to work as well. We do share, 34 books on mind management as well. I know Atal is already here, and I've shared with him all the books as well, right? And I know those books are quite useful, and we do help, in sharing all of these things with him. So Atal is here, yes, and he is benefiting as well from those books. So everything that you need as a support, we are, giving it to you. Sorry, it just went a little back. So that is the reason why, Swaycharts mainly helps you to become independent trader by means of the support that we provide to you for all type of trainings, right? So that is one of the best thing which, many people feels to get after attending good quality trainings. Now, basically at Swaycharts, we have got, again, few trainings which can help you run your house. So mainly we have, divided this trainings into the way you would want to now start with the COVID impact. So first and the foremost is about running the house, or, making the shortfall in the salary because of the job cuts or maybe salary cuts. So one of them is running the house, which is the options training, which is also, you can say, it's only not only options, it's an intraday strategy which we teach you to trade simply into the stock market. So it contains, options as well as intraday futures that you can trade in it. Again comes then the short term and medium term trading to be a full-time trader. If you want to be, there are two more trainings that you can then take up, is simply advanced technicals and simply indicators, where you go in detailed study of technical analysis, where you study more in detail about candlesticks, support, resistance, and the strategies to trade them, along with detailed studies of RSI. Now, detailed study of RSI, one of the example which we saw was the divergences which I showed you on the Bank Nifty and Nifty charts, which told us, right, they were informing us that the markets are going to fall in January itself. Those type of study, the detailed study, happens in the simply indicators training, right? So those all things related to Bollinger Band as well as RSI are included in this training. And then the last thing is about, once you get settled with running your house and, been getting acquainted with your full-time trading, the last one is to build the house. And the build the house trading is mainly giving you a very, very good returns, because I'll just show you few returns that we have obtained in last 1 year in doing this particular strategy. And this particular strategy is the simplest one. If I tell you, it's no rocket science, and there is nothing to be used, nor candlesticks, nor the indicators. The only thing that you used for this, if I show you one of the charts, see, this is the normal, my day-to-day study chart. But if I just show you what chart I use for my simply build house, is this. Right, so this is the simple chart. It's a simple line chart which we use, and this gives you almost more than 100% return on year basis. And I know there is Priyanka Gupta, Vijay Gupta sir, and they are already here, and they're already trained in this particular strategy, and they are benefiting from that. So it'll be good if you can share your experience on the chat, right? And people who have already done this, as Milind Rege is also a Bank Nifty student, run the house thing. So you will be, if you can share your inputs on your experience so far, it will help, right? And let me show you the results. As I told you, I will just show you the results that we had. Okay, there are people getting interested. Okay, I shared my results with her some time back because she was interested in it. So I would have it handy here. Okay. Okay, since it's a result that I've shared, I would like to be on the live chat. That's why, I'm just doing it. Okay, on website also we have put it, and here also there are the results. So here we go. So this is what I'm actually trying to say. Read more. Okay, so if you look at this, this is the last year result of top bottom. You can see total 40 trades, and the profit is 3,64,000 on a capital of 2 lakhs, by the way. So this is the profit on 2 lakhs. So your percentage return is almost 180%. So this is what you get with Simply Build House. And max profit on a single trade, max loss is 14,000. We've also given you consecutive losses, consecutive profits. So yes, if you are part of this, you might feel, are we trapped? But this is a system, and you need to just follow it. And that is what, we have mentioned here, that humble request for everyone is, whoever has attended this, follow the rules without applying any other knowledge, right? And because it gives you the best result. So this is what we had requested each and every one. And let me show you this group as well, where we, so once you attend Simply Build House with us, these are daily levels which we give you, and this is only admins, only me and Paresh can write over here, no one else. Okay, and as per the markets changes, we apply new rules. So these new rules were also been applied in Feb 2020 and was circulated to everyone. And this were again reinstated over here because we had one stop loss which we wanted to book early profits, And we did booked early profits around 900 to 1000 points on Bank Nifty on I think Friday itself we did it, right? So again, there was a reverse entry that was been made, and see, this is currently Bank Nifty, Reliance, Maruti. We will be giving you also the same support. So this is what we talk about, lifetime support, right? So that is the main reason why people like about sway charts is the way we support to you. Now, something on the students and what they've said for us. So Milind Haria, he's a 21 years old commerce graduate. He is right now a full-time trader and also managing clienteles with him. Samit, now let me share Samit's story. Last December, he joined us. His father was against. Okay. Currently, he is managing his father's account, his sister's account, and he himself is a successful trader, and he's trading all of this only by attending one of the training that he did with us, which is simply Bank Nifty options. He has not done any other training so far. He wants to do, because of lockdown we are not able to meet. He's in Pune. Again, Amar Pathak sir, again a 75 years plus retired person, and he himself is trading everything. He has taken all the courses, and he has stated that what trader he was earlier has been changed now, and more maturely he is able to trade, and has enhanced his profits by more than 40 to 50% after the training, right? Then few more. Purvi Kampani, she is a housewife with 3 children. You can think of that. And she completed the trainings from us, and today it has boosted her confidence. I will show her videos also on, you can go to our website. I'll show you my website as well. Again, Vishesh Ghosh sir, he has also done 3 programs with us, and he took training 5 months back on Simply Build House, and he has made good money. So Simply Build House, the results which I just showed you, part of it 6 months here is also his profits. And CN Saraf sir, whom I was talking earlier also, most enthusiastic, and he was in deep losses before, and he is today in good profits. So main thing is, at that age, at 76 when he joined us 2 years back, today 78, he was in losses. From there he worked hard. So this is again something where I can say that which candle is used, 5-15 minutes time frame. So you can use either of, whichever you are comfortable, but do not go more less than that. Okay. So now let me also share few live feedbacks also which I have. Okay, and some profits that people have made. So Joel D'Souza, one of the key person, he has also shared his testimony. So you can see on 22nd June, he said, sir, booked almost this, right? And he keeps saying, it is what we have given to him also. And we always say that it is practice and not only, what he has done. His friend, one of his friends, Sachin Gawade, okay, even see his profit figures on day to day. He's sending me this. Okay, today's performance. Okay, and if I just show you the numbers, it is 7,000 something. Okay, then see again next day he sends me 26,000, and then again Thursday he sends me 22,000. And I just say too good, growing day by day, right? And this is what they have to say for us. So this are the things. Now again, if I just share with you one of the mail that he shared with us, and I want to show you this because see, he has put up something on practicing himself. See, practicing is the most important factor to earn consistent profits. So what I want to highlight here is that it's not only the training. See, training के बाद ऐसा मत बोलो कि अभी मैं फुल प्रूफ हूँ. ऐसा नहीं है. Training is not giving you some bulletproof jacket के तुम पहन के उतर जाओ war में. You have to prepare, you have to learn that skill, you have to do it yourself, and then you go ahead, right? So this is the key. Practicing is the most important factor which you need to do it, right? So that is where we would love everyone to do the training, and then give you that, boost or confidence after things. Yeah, everything. I use RSI in depth for each and every trade. Even commodities, I use it. It works excellent. Okay. So this is what we are doing, and this is what the students from Swechard has to say, right? Let me now show you even my website and thing. So this is again my Facebook page. You can like it, and you get connected to us. Whatever are the next programs for Swechards, you'll be able to see that. So Swechards again is a Facebook page. You can like it. My website again. You can go through the videos and testimonials on this, right? And all the trainings and detailed of each and every training has been mentioned here. Right? So everything has been mentioned here for you. Now, what do you get for attending this webinar right now, right, is the live analysis session, which I just said at 7 p.m. today, and also live trading sessions. If you want to see me how I am trading in the live market, this is going to be it. So you can note it down right now. I'm holding it, right? And people who are interested and have shared with me their WhatsApp number, and the details will also send this details to you on your WhatsApp as well. So if you want to be part of this live sessions, please share your numbers and your name with us. We will be able to add you to this group for today live analysis and tomorrow live trading session as well. Right, so please note down this meeting ID and password. This will be the Zoom meeting ID and password. And these are the timing. Live analysis at 7 p.m. and 9 a.m. to 11. We will be having live trading session as well. And this is the meeting ID and password for the same. Okay, Sam, we will be adding it to you. Right, so whoever sends me a WhatsApp and name, we will be able to send this with them as well. So we'll share everything, right? So this is what is going to be it. So I think you have noted it down. If you have, not giving me your WhatsApp number. Okay, Ashwini. Fair enough. Okay, so you can put it. Okay, so I'm getting it more. Okay. Okay. Rahul Pandit, you need to give me your number as well. Your WhatsApp number. Otherwise, I'll be not able to send across to you. So name is not sufficient enough. You'll have to also give me your number. Your WhatsApp number where I can send these details, right? Okay. So what else do you get is, so this is one thing that you get, right? Okay. So this is one thing that you get. The other thing that you get is the entire khazana of my online videos, right? Which has got introduction to technical analysis, candlesticks and patterns, support and resistance, options and its essentials, uh, live sessions which I just shared with you, and also those are live sessions which we have already conducted, and success blueprint. So this one of the most important video, please do not miss this. Okay, and this is I think mainly in Hindi and English for everyone to understand. Success blueprint talks about how you can be a successful trader with a discipline, right? And that is the main thing which we miss as a trader. So I would request everyone to go and see this video of success blueprint, right? Okay, Rahul, we got your number. Rushikesh, okay. So this is what you get, and let me show you where is this. Okay. So Swaycharts is a YouTube channel by itself. You just need to subscribe to this channel. And once you subscribe to the channel, you get this entire playlist, all the videos which we just talked to you about. There are few private videos, but there are, all of this are for you, and you can get to know each and everything here. See the things which we talked about, right? Even you can see the weekly analysis video. So this videos where I'm analyzing every weekend, you can see my videos here, and you can see what I'd recommended on June 14th, and you can see how they have worked on 21st June, what I recommended and how it has worked. So each and everything you can see since June 14th, I think I had given positional buy on Glenmark, Bajaj Finance, Reliance, and you all have, if you have been part of um, the stock market and you know how these stocks have moved, all of them had hit the targets, by the way. Even Maruti was given one of the swing trade. It was a swing trade, not a positional trade on Maruti. Even that has hit the targets, right? So that is the power of such analysis, right? And today also you can be part of the same, right? For which you are all giving me your name and numbers, right? So this is the YouTube channel. Okay, you should subscribe to it and hit this bell icon so that you get notified for all the new videos which are uploaded on the website, on the channel, right? So now how can you learn this advanced things? There are few things by which you can do it. One is online recorded videos for all trainings are available now. There is not big difference between the online videos and the live trainings because the support remains the same. Okay, whether you buy the online videos from me or you attend them in live, see, live you will be dependent on the time and the date which we give you. So like 5th of July is the trade, is the Bank Nifty options training, which is next Sunday. Now if this Sunday you are occupied, you miss it, and then this training will be repeated again after next 40 days, right? So that is how is the limitation on live trainings. But if you go for the videos are available right away, and as soon as you make payment, I share the videos with you. So that is how it is. Okay, you get everything. The live sessions are free once a week that you get. So you get this every week. Free membership to the alumni group. You get this Q&A lifetime support. Okay, and anyone who is on this chat and have experienced how we support can put it down as well, because I know Vijay Gupta sir is here. There are many other students also here, and if you can just put about how we support and how it is helpful to you in your career, it will help everyone else also to understand, right? And you can attend live sessions with me. So this again has got every questions will get answered during the session, and in the case of the online videos, we will then have a Zoom session for all those who have bought the videos, and we will have a Q&A even in that, right? So it's not that you get the videos and then there is no Q&A. Q&A session will be arranged separately, and we will go through that one by one. Each and everyone's doubt would be covered even in that, right? Okay, so Vijay Gupta sir is here. He's saying thanks. Right, so all of these things you get to know with us. So this is the way the advanced learning can happen. If anyone is interested in learning from Swaycharts, we have on 5th of July a live training on Bank Nifty options, which also helps you to trade intraday on any segment. Thank you. So I think if you can specify your name, because your name reads as as Redmi, because Redmi is they will not know who you are. So if you can just put your name, it will be great. right? So what next? So if you are interested in, oh, Hitesh Mehta, okay, Hitesh bhai, right? Thank you, Hitesh bhai. Right, so you can contact us on this numbers which I've also posted on the chat group, right? And if you want to know more details about the trainings and registrations, believe me, the fees are very, very nominal. Now the fees for Bank Nifty options, I'll just specify, it is 6,000 rupees. And if you register today or latest by tomorrow, we will give you 10% discount. Okay, so the fees becomes 5,400 per head. And if you are coming in a group, right? So if you are, one or two or more people, then actually we have, a discount of, then also the discounted fees for a group is actually 5,000, individual is 6,000. So if you are coming in a group, you get additional 10%, which is 4,500 per individual if you are coming in a group, right? So these are going to be the charges. For the group, it will be 4,500 per head. For individual, it is going to be 5,400. And this is on offer for all those who have attended today. And if you want to group with someone of your friend who has not attended this, that is fine. Since you have attended, you can get, one of your colleague and get this discount availed, right? So see you all, and now we can open up for Q&A. Now if anyone has got any questions related to the trainings or markets, you can we can talk on that now. And this particular session will be also uploaded on our Swechart's YouTube channel. So please, feel free, if this is, helping you, you can share this, like this, and share this with your friends and family. Thanks, Amira. I think we are all going to meet tomorrow in office as well. I think you are Ashmita ma'am's daughter, right? Yes. Okay. So we'll anyways meet tomorrow. Right. So any queries, anything anyone wants to know about markets? Right. So then see you all again today at 7 p.m. for the live analysis. Yeah, please tell about RSI. See, RSI is a momentum indicator. I cannot explain to you in much detail over here, right? But if you come for the 7 to 8 p.m., I will be talking much on RSI based things only, right? Because I'll be talking about what RSI is showing us. And in that you will get, much more idea of RSI. So yes, you can come for 7 to 8 p.m. and even tomorrow's live session, you'll be seeing me using more of the word of RSI, because that is my key ingredient in trading, right? And normally I use unconventional RSI. So you can understand I use 4060. You must have seen the setup as well. Right. Thank you, everyone. So see you again from 7 to 8 today. Thank you.